Hi. So in this section, we will talk about how we can manipulate the dimension from the Excel sheet. So I will first create a basic 3D model, and for that I'm just creating a rectangle and extruding it up to like 30 mm. So this is the basic part, and I just want to manage this rectangular, this box data through the Excel sheet. I just want to manipulate the value from the Excel sheet. So for that, first go to the tools, and we have this option called variables. And in this variable, you can see we have 3 dimensions, and all these 3 dimensions are visible. So we can manipulate the value, like I need this value as a length, and I need this value as a width, and I need this particular value as a height. So we have 3 different values, and we already change all the values. And if we have multiple dimension, we can change all the dimension, and according to our requirement, we can provide the syntax of the dimension as per our need, so that the Excel sheet also having the same value. Now move to the Excel sheet, and here we need 3 dimension. First one is length, second one is width, and third one is height. So length should be like 100, width should be 50, and the height should be like 25. So whatever the value is there. So save this file first of all. So I'm saving this file, example automation. And now I just want to copy this, move to the solid edge, and here just select this value, right click, and we have this option called paste link. Now select the second value, copy it, move to the solid edge, right click, paste link. Third value, copy, right click, paste link. So now you can see all the dimensions are basically linked with the Excel sheet. So I'm just closing it, save it, and saving this file to the desktop. This is also a automation example. And now if I open this file into 2 different boxes, you can see we have this value. And now I just want to change this value. I just want to change the dimension of this 3D model from the Excel sheet. So I need this value 200, and this value 100, and this value 50. So how easily we can manipulate the dimension from the Excel sheet? This is the way by which we can connect the Excel sheet with the 3D model, and we can manipulate the dimension in assembly mode or in the part modeling itself. So it's a simple way we can connect it the Excel sheet and change the dimension as per our requirement. Now after saving the file, if you want to change anything into this model, then we have a command called binder. Just open this command, and you need to add the link with the file which you already saved. So you just need to select that particular file. The software will automatically create a link, so which I already created, so I don't need to create it again. So I'm just closing it, and open the file, just double click, and when I do the changes, like if I need a 200 or a 300 value or a 10 value, so it will automatically do the changes accordingly. So you don't need to open the Excel file directly. We can open the Excel file through the binder command, and it will open the Excel sheet. You can connect the Excel sheet with this 3D model, and by this Excel sheet you can manipulate the dimension directly.